Set goals. Language learning is best when broken down into manageable goals that are achievable over a few months. This is far more motivating and realistic. Learning more than one language is proven to be beneficial in terms of education, career, health, and life. These advantages are essential for you to reach your goals. Tones. Learning in Chinese, there are 4 tones and 1 neutral tone.
A,
To easily recognize these tones, you first want to master Hanyu Pinyin, which is the romanized phonetic system of Chinese characters. Focus on writing proper radicals. Writing in Mandarin is challenging. Mandarin consists of a collection of different strokes and radicals which can be combined in many ways. Vocabulary over grammar. Chinese doesn't have a lot of grammatical rules. Instead, one practical way to quickly master Chinese is to focus on learning new vocabulary and phrases every day. Of course, focus on common words and phrases. Actual conversations in Mandarin can take place at incredible speeds, so if you want to be able to hold a proper conversation, one tip is to improve your listening skills. Try listening to Chinese podcasts or online radio shows. Sign up. It is also important to not get overly confident with your knowledge and skills. That is why, if you can and is offered to you, do not hesitate to sign up for Mandarin classes. Success isn't something that just happens. Success is learned, success is practiced, and then it is shared. If you want to practice sounding natural when conversing in Mandarin, the only way to do that is simply to chat with someone in the language. Immerse. Immersing yourself in a Mandarin environment through movies, songs, and books helps you pick up certain nuances of the language that classes and other materials may not offer.